Leo November 2020 Horoscope. November 2020 Leo horoscope predictions suggest that social intelligence will help you to achieve things this month. You have to curb your natural tendencies of aggression and royal attitudes. Leo personality has to depend on others and make compromises if necessary. The month is auspicious for commencing new ventures. It is also helpful in completing the existing projects. Problems on the domestic front will get resolved as the month progresses. You will have the strength to achieve your professional objectives this month. The month is also helpful for accomplishing your technical and community objectives. Leo health predictions. November Leo 2020 horoscope predictions suggest that health will be problematic this month and vitality will be low. Stress appears to be behind these health problems. Hence, you should focus on meditation and relaxation techniques. There will be enough improvement in your health condition, but the original zinc will be missing. November 2020 forecast for Leo Zodiac Finance. Leo Zodiac Finances foretells that financial growth is spurred by the momentum of Mercury this month. Money flow will be strong during the first and last weeks of the month. There will be monetary conflicts with your beloved or your partner. Speculations will give good returns. The money will come from unexpected sources. Finances can be improved through marketing and sales projects. Leo Education Horoscope. November 2020 for Leo Sun sign is very much encouraging for academic development. Those pursuing languages, journalism and accountancy would have a very successful spell. Technical students would also fare quite well in their studies, more so in practicals than in theory. Most of you would also be endowed with keener mental faculties and an absorbent attitude of mind that would make learning much easier and quicker. Those sitting for competitive examinations should also be successful in their attempt if they put in at least the normal kind of efforts with sincerity. Leo Travel Horoscope. Gains from travel may be very difficult to come by this month since the augury from the stars is not very favorable on this score. Writers, poets and others of their like would tend to waste their time in uselessly traveling here and there. There will be both inland and overseas travel. Most of them will be unproductive. Under such circumstances, it is advisable to limit your travel. In fact, unnecessary travel would be your main problem this month. Sort this out and you would be a much happier person. Leo Family Horoscope Predictions. (2020) monthly predictions are not encouraging for family affairs. Peace in the family will be disturbed due to conflicts with senior members of the family. You have to use your tact to ease the situation. There is a possibility of some of you getting into serious trouble with the elders of the family, leading to an extremely unpleasant situation. You must not lose your cool and refuse to be drawn into any kind of confrontation. Children will be negatively influenced by the happenings in the family surroundings. They will require special care. Leo Love and Relationship Horoscope. Leo compatibility with spouse will be trouble until the 22nd of the month. If the relationship is strong, the marriage will survive. Otherwise, there may be a breakup. Singles will have relationships that are unsound. There will be conflicts in the relationships. Family relationships can obstruct existing alliances. Confirmed relationships may vanish if they are not strong enough. New ones will be formed without any problem. Thanks for watching the video.